Hello art beaters, Becky here for artbeats.com, and I've got a brand new video for you today. Today we have got some fun new fancy stone crystal shapes from Prestige. Some really cute animal shapes that are full of sparkle, full of fun. I can't wait to show you these cute little fancy stone crystals. These are great for your jewelry and craft projects. I've also got a fun little jewelry inspiration piece for you to kind of inspire you to start using these cute little animals in your designs. So let's take a look. I wanted to share these new Prestige crystal fancy stone animals with you. These are just some of the cutest pieces, and they're all made out of high quality Austrian crystal. Prestige crystal is some of the finest around, and these cute little fancy stones are just so much fun, and we've got lots of different animals to choose from. These are Stingrays, so these are all faceted crystal. Now, fancy stones are stones with no stringing hole, so they are faceted and foiled on the back. That reflects a lot of light with the crystal on the front. So what you can do with these is glue these into place on embellishments, embed them into clay, glue them onto a backing and bead embroider around them. All kinds of different things you can do with these. Add them to your craft projects. Just have them in your collection as cute little stash pieces. They're so sparkly, so sweet. I love this little seal. That kind of pretty opal white color is perfect. We've got a couple cat options here too. Look at the kitties. And these have such fun details. You can see this one has like a little bit of a frosted effect to create stripes. This one has a sweet little face. And this one too has some cute little details as well. So many cute things you could do with these. You can make some pet lover jewelry. I want to glue them onto all kinds of embellishments. They're so sweet. More ocean-themed pieces. We have dolphins, a left-facing and a right-facing dolphin. Perfect for making earrings. We've got this cute little seahorse in a fun splash of summer color. Loving that. So sweet. We've even got some whales. Now the whales you have options with. One is a faceted fancy stone back with a little more shallow dimension, and one is a little more domed. So this one you could easily glue onto something, and this one would be better for embedding. We've even got a cute sea turtle option. The sea turtle is so fun, perfect shade of green, and all the fun details that you would expect from a sea turtle. Love that. For my dog lovers, we've got some really great dog options. This one looks like a lab. You've got a sitting dog. What a good boy. This one almost looks like a German Shepherd or a Shiba Inu. You could use it to represent a lot of different dogs. This one could be a Husky or a Shiba Inu. Again, I really like these fancy stones because they're not too domed on the back. You can easily glue them into place onto embellishments. We've got some fun leopards and cheetahs, jaguars. This one I love that it's sitting just kind of curled up and relaxed. It's got great faceting, and you can see the spotted details there. This one is actually flat on the back, and then you also have the fancy stone version. You've got that fun leaping style, and then you also have that in the lighter color here. So really fun, and we've got another nice little relaxed laying down cat, and I love the eyes on this one. So cute. I wanted to point out this cat too because the details stand out so nicely on that one. So sweet. I love it. It looks like a little Maine Coon cat or a stripy little cat. We also have some safari animals. We've got this cute little elephant. I love this one. It's a little more subtle animal shape, but that one is really fun. Then we've also got this gorilla here. Such fun little crystal animals. We also have this adorable clownfish. I love this little guy. He is so sweet. And I actually made him a home. I made him a seed bead coral pendant. I did the coraling technique with seed beads in graduated colors, and I did a brick stitch frame to attach that coral to a patina pendant. I'm gonna glue this little guy right there. He's got his new like sea anemone home, and I finished the piece with freshwater pearls and beads in matching colors. I love this. So you can easily glue this guy into place. I am going to use a 2-part epoxy adhesive. It comes in 2 parts. You mix it. 5-minute epoxy dries really fast, but you have to let it cure for 24 hours. And then that guy is not going anywhere. He is in his coral home forever. So that's a really great glue to use with these fancy stones is the 2-part epoxy adhesive. I can leave a link to that product in the video description, and I can also link you to a video with more detailed instructions on how to use that glue. This necklace is going to be in our design studio with free instructions and a supplies list. I can link you to that as well. It is available now. So as are these beautiful prestige crystal animal fancy stones that you can use in all kinds of ways. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that all those cute little animal fancy stones inspired you. Please leave a like and a comment. Let me know if you have any questions, what you'd like to see next. We always love hearing your suggestions, or tell us what your favorite animal of today was. There were a lot of cute ones to choose from, so let us know your favorites. And as always, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you're the first to know when videos like this are out. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.